Now, we are going to determine the domain and range of the following relations. So, what is domain? Domain are the x values, while range are the y values. So, here is relation P. So, 2 is the x value or the domain, while 4 is the y value or the range. Now, before we determine the domain and range, we're going to determine first if the relation or the this set of ordered pairs is a function or not. So, we can say that a relation or a set of ordered pairs is a function if there's no two ordered pairs have the same x value. So, kapag ang isang set of ordered pairs, kapag walang magkakapareho sa x values niya, masasabi natin na ito ay function. Pero kapag may magkapareho sa x values ng isang set of ordered pairs or ng isang relation, tulad nitong relation P, masasabi natin na hindi ito function. So now, if we are going to observe this set of ordered pairs, masasabi natin na it is a function. Why? Dahil kung papansinin natin, makikita nating walang magkakapareho sa ating x values. So, therefore, it is a function. So, yes, it is a function. So, now we are going to determine the domain. What are the domain? So, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, now, what are the range? So, 4. So, we're gonna write it once. So, kapag may magkapareho sa range or even sa domain, kailangan lang natin itong isulat once. So, 4, 5, and 6. So, relations and functions can be represented by mapping diagrams. So, we're just gonna draw two bubbles here. Yan. So, this is the x values or the domain, and these are the y values or the range. So, our domain are 2, 3, 4, and 5. And our range are 4, 5, and 6. Now, we're just gonna draw arrow to connect each of the ordered pairs. So, first is 2, and 4. So, let's draw an arrow. 2 and 4. Next, 3 and 4. Next, 4 and 5. Then last, 5 and 6. So this diagram is many to one. Many to one. Therefore, kapag many to one, it is a function. Now, let's proceed to the other example. So here's the other example. So relation J. Is it a function or not? So if we are going to observe the set of ordered pairs, mapapansin natin na may magkapareho sa ating x values, which is 2. Yan. So, therefore, it is not a function. Not. So, it is not a function. So, what are the domains? So, 1, 2, 2. Remember, we're just gonna write it once. 3. And our range are -2, -1, 1, and 2. So now, we're going to represent the relation by mapping diagrams. So let's just draw 2 bubbles. Yan. And these are our domain, and these are our range. So our domain are 1, 2, 3, and our range are -2, -1, 1, and 2. So now let's draw an arrow to connect each of the ordered pairs. So 1 and -2, 2 and -1, 2 and 1, and lastly 3 and 2. This diagram is 1 to many. 1 to many. Therefore, so bale kapag 1 to many siya, it is not a function. So if it is 1 to many, it is not a function. So that's all on how to determine the domain and range of a relation or a function.